Hello, good morning, guys. It's my pleasure to be back with you in another exciting coding class. Today, I want to introduce you to an app that I found and I really loved it. Therefore, I want you to feel the same way I did. Its name is CodeSpark Academy. This one includes several increasingly challenging drag and drop coding puzzles that will introduce you once again to the logic of programming using visual blocks of code. You can download this app to your tablet, iPad, or play it in the web browser the same way that I'm going to show you now. Besides learning coding, you will practice some math, reading, logic, problem solving, and we put on display your creativity and empathy. For this activity, you don't need to upload any picture or evidence because I can see your progress through my account, right? Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we move on, I want to take a moment to congratulate Daniel Hogg for being the first fifth grader to complete the Code Combat course. He was able to complete all 18 levels working on the concepts of algorithm, variable, loops, string, and so more. He was able to actually complete this about 2 weeks ago, but actually now I got the chance to actually share it with you all. So Daniel, congratulations one more time. I will upload your certificate to the portal so you can actually print it out if you want and have it at home. Alright? So now let's continue with today's assignment. Alright, so you are going to create another user on this platform. What I want you to try is that if you have any pending work on Code Combat, to actually finish that. But anyway, create this user because the code that I'm going to give you only lasts 48 hours. So that means that if those 48 hours go by, then you will need to request another code and then I will need to create another one. So anyways, create your account and get to finish anything on Code Combat, and then you may try this one if you want to. Alright? So the first step that we're going to take, you're going to access to your technology folder on the SJS portal. Right here you will see 3 documents. You're missing one more right here because I'm recording this video. So after watching the video, then you're going to click on the access link right here. We need to wait for the document to load. Then we scroll down a little bit and then we click on Code Spark link right here. You will find a screen like this. You can actually toggle the music on and off. I will leave it off so you can actually listen to what I'm saying. Right here you can toggle to full screen. It's really cool because it can actually covers the whole screen and you can see the graphics pretty well. Then I will click on schools right on the very left upper corner. Then I will click on students and then I will click on use classroom code. What is my classroom code, Mr. Joe? If we go back to the portal, you will find it right here, or you can actually see a screenshot right there. So we're going to type in our class code, WHGM, and we'll click on the green check mark. Then I will click on this green button right there. Alright? I just created a user for my explanation. Where is it that I can see it? Okay, it's right here, Mr. J. Now, since this is your class, you're going to see your classmates right here. You're going to click only on your name, please. And then I will do that for myself. Right here, I'm supposed to select an avatar for my sprite. So let's take a look at the options that I have. I will try this penguin right here. Looking funny. Right here, I can have different combination for my name. So if you don't want to actually take the time to take a look at all the names that we have, you just click on this dice right here and select a random one. I don't like this one. Oh, let's try this one. Addison Sweetsful. Alright, so now we're ready to move on. This is our main screen. you're going to see this main three options that we have. We have Explore, where we can actually take a look at the different features that this website provides. It has many games where we use our coding skill to actually play a little bit in different contests. Then we have the option of creating, where you get to create your own maze using the coding skills and concepts that we're going to develop right here and that we have practiced before. I recommend that you try this after we try a few puzzles and you get to see how this website actually works. Then we got the puzzle when we actually are going to practice the different lessons that we're going to see right here. So we're going to begin with the sequence one right away. So we must remember that a sequence is a list of steps organized in a specific order. First I'm doing this, then I'm doing that, in order for me to get something, to get a goal, right? I will click on the green button right here. And right here you are going to see that in the sequence one I have 8 lessons. I know that you're already at in 5th grade and you might seem like this sort of a cartoon for you, but I really hope that you enjoy it. Right, so we can see right here that the story begins right away with this little monster like taking away the box of donuts. So our goal in this case, in this sequence maze, will be to actually get this guy off. So we're going to be using what we have learned about sequence, clicking and dragging the different blocks to actually complete this. Right here in the first few lessons, we're going to get a tutorial on how to complete this. Basically, at the bottom right here, we're going to see all the blocks that we can use display at the bottom. And then this is our workspace. When I have completed all the blocks that I need for this level, then I will click on the sprite right there. You don't see a run button over here, so that means that when our code is ready, we're going to click on the sprite to actually run the code. If we, for example, want to run in another direction instead of going right, we can actually go left. So you just need to click on the option right below the sprite, and that way you can select the way to move, right? So in this case, we're going right. Let's click on this. There you are. This actually plays out a really cool music, but I don't try it right now just for the sake of the video, so you may try it at home. Let's try another one on sequence. This time we're getting the same 2 blocks, one after another. So it's basically kind of the same in this case. The first level you're going to see that are kind of easy for you because you already mastered these concepts of coding. But as we move on, you're going to see that the challenge will increase. So don't drop it. Right, I think that you already got the idea of what we're going to be trying today. I expect that you get to finish anything pending on Code Combat first, and then you switch to this one. But remember to create your account today, right? So that will do it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoy this lesson or actually this website and get to practice a lot. If you want to complete all the levels today, I have no problem with that. And if you have any question or trouble with something, let me know right away. See you later.